The Brita standard water filter is a reliable solution for improving tap water quality. Designed to reduce chlorine taste and odor, as well as impurities like mercury and copper, it provides fresh, clean drinking water. Compatible with most Brita pitchers and dispensers, it's an eco-friendly choice for healthier hydration daily. There are many products available to choose Brita standard water filter, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Brita standard water filter from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Brita Faucet Mount Water Filter. The Elite Brita Faucet Mount Water Filter is a convenient solution for improving the quality and taste of your tap water. Designed to attach effortlessly to standard faucets without the need for tools, this filtration system promotes healthier and better tasting water in seconds. By opting for Brita, you not only save money but also help reduce environmental waste, potentially replacing up to 1,800 single-use plastic bottles annually. Its compact and stylish design offers a choice between filtered and unfiltered water, available in white or chrome finishes. Measuring 5.28 inches in height, 4.8 inches in width, and 2.26 inches in depth, this lightweight filter, 0.84 pounds, fits seamlessly into your kitchen setup. The system is highly effective, removing 99% of lead, chlorine, taste and odor, asbestos, benzene, and particulates. A built-in status indicator alerts you when it's time for an easy one-click filter replacement. To maintain optimal performance, replace the filter every 100 gallons or approximately every 4 months. Note that this model is compatible with standard faucets only and does not fit pull-out or spray-style designs. Number 2. Acua Crest Brita Water Filter. The Acua Crest Pitcher Water Filter Replacement offers a reliable solution for cleaner, better-tasting water. Certified under NSF/ANSI 42 standards, it effectively reduces chlorine levels while meeting NSF 372 requirements for lead-free materials. This ensures safe and healthy water filtration for you and your family. Built with food-grade, BPA-free materials, the filter guarantees pure and clean water while maintaining a high and stable flow rate. Its compatibility extends to all Brita pitchers and dispensers, such as Grand, Lake, Capri, Metro, Marina, and more, as well as great value pitchers. Note: not compatible with Brita Stream, Hub Instant System, or Bottle. The advanced 4-stage filtration system features a pre-filter layer, coconut shell activated carbon, and high-quality ion exchange resin. These components work together to efficiently reduce chlorine, rust, sediment, odors, and unpleasant tastes while preserving essential minerals, as the filter does not lower TDS levels. Designed for longevity, the filter provides optimal performance for up to 40 gallons, depending on local water conditions. Its long lifespan helps reduce the need for frequent replacements, minimizing plastic waste and ensuring great-tasting water for an extended period. This filter is a practical and eco-friendly choice for your home water needs. Number 3. Brita Elite Water Filter. Enjoy cleaner, better-tasting water while reducing waste with Brita Elite Water Filter replacements. Designed to save you money and reduce environmental impact, each filter can replace up to 1,800 single-use plastic bottles annually. Note that packaging may vary. Brita Elite filters are highly effective, removing 99% of lead, as well as chlorine, taste and odor, cadmium, mercury, benzene, asbestos, and more. Compared to standard Brita filters, the Elite model eliminates over 3 times the number of contaminants, providing superior filtration for your drinking water. With a long-lasting design, Brita Elite filters require replacement only twice a year, lasting 3 times longer than PUR filters and 6 times longer than standard zero-water filters. This extended lifespan ensures convenience and cost savings. Compatible with all Brita pitchers and dispensers except for Stream models, the filter is easy to install. Simply insert it into the reservoir, align the pitcher notch with the filter groove, and press firmly to create a secure seal. Crafted from BPA-free materials, the blue Brita Elite filter includes a pull-top cap for hassle-free removal. No pre-soaking is needed, making installation quick and straightforward. Upgrade your water filtration experience with this efficient and user-friendly option. Number 4. Brita Hub Replacement Water Filter. The Brita Hub Replacement Water Filter provides great-tasting, healthier drinking water while offering a sustainable solution. This filter is designed to reduce over 70 contaminants, including lead, chlorine, mercury, and PFOA/PFOS, ensuring cleaner water with every use. With just one Brita Hub filter, you can replace up to 900 standard 16.9-ounce single-use plastic bottles, helping to save money and reduce environmental waste. Replacing the filter is simple. Insert it into the Brita Hub countertop water filtration system, fill the 12-cup removable reservoir, and plug in the dispenser for fresh, filtered water. Each filter is built to last, providing up to 6 months or 120 gallons of use before requiring replacement. Note that Brita Hub water filters are specifically designed for use in the Brita Hub countertop water filtration system, offering an eco-friendly and efficient way to enjoy purified water. Number 5. Brita Ultramax Elite Water Filter. The Brita Ultramax Elite Water Dispenser is a BPA-free 27-cup solution for cleaner, better-tasting water straight from your tap. Equipped with an elite filter, it effectively reduces the taste and odor of chlorine while removing up to 30 contaminants, including cadmium, mercury, asbestos, benzene, and 99% of lead. This water dispenser helps you save money and reduce environmental waste, replacing up to 1,800 single-use plastic bottles annually. Its fridge-friendly design makes it space-efficient, while the easy-locking lid and precision-pour spigot ensure convenient use. An electronic filter indicator takes the guesswork out of maintenance, letting you know exactly when it's time to replace the filter. Each Elite filter lasts up to 6 months or 120 gallons, providing long-lasting performance. With its sustainable design and reliable filtration, the Brita Ultramax Elite Water Dispenser is a practical addition to any home, offering healthier, great-tasting water every day. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information, or in case you need to realize product price due, check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.